DJI has officially been placed on the FCC covered list, and this announcement has created a wave of confusion, rumors, and misinformation, particularly among drone users in the United States. The topic has been discussed for more than a year, often driven by speculation and fear rather than verified information. Now that the decision is official, it's important to clearly explain what this ruling actually means and, just as importantly, what it does not mean for DJI drone owners. The FCC ruling focuses on the import and sale of new, future drone models from certain foreign manufacturers, including DJI. It does not apply to existing or already approved DJI drones. This means the decision does not ground current DJI drones, does not disable them, and does not prevent people from using them in the US. Your drone will not suddenly stop working, fall out of the sky, or be restricted by a firmware update as a result of this ruling. All current DJI drones remain fully legal to own, fly, and register in the United States. DJI owners can continue registering their drones with the FAA and receive official registration numbers without any issues. There is no change to flight legality, airspace access, or day-to-day drone operation for existing DJI models. FCC-approved DJI models are still allowed and remain on sale. This includes popular drones such as the Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, the Mavic series, Air series, and the Avata series. These drones can still be purchased legally through local drone stores, major online retailers like Amazon, and secondary marketplaces such as eBay. Drone shops are not required to pull current DJI inventory from shelves, and there is no immediate sales ban on these models. Some people have confused this FCC decision with ongoing border and customs issues affecting DJI shipments. These are separate matters. Customs delays or import restrictions have been an ongoing challenge, but they are not directly caused by the FCC covered list ruling. If those logistical issues are resolved, DJI sales can continue as normal for approved models. Unfortunately, misinformation has led some DJI owners to panic and sell their drones prematurely. This is not recommended. Panic selling often results in losing hundreds of dollars unnecessarily. In reality, fear-driven selling can have the opposite effect. Used DJI drones may increase in value if people believe new models will become harder to find. Buyers who understand the situation may even resell used drones at higher prices. If you recently purchased a DJI drone, there is no reason to sell it. The FCC decision does not ban current models like the Mavic 4 Pro, Air 3S, or any other existing DJI drones. You can continue using and enjoying your drone now and well into next year without concern.
To simplify your decision-making process, here's a detailed guide ranking the top 10 DJI drones in 2025, highlighting key features, strengths, and who each model is best suited for. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Starting at the lower end of the top 10, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a drone designed for those who demand professional imaging quality without paying for the absolute flagship models. Its standout feature is the single 24mm Hasselblad camera with a large 4x3 sensor, capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel photos and 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. If you're interested in cinematic slow-motion shots, it even supports 1080p video at 200 frames per second. This drone supports both JPEG and RAW formats, giving photographers and videographers the flexibility they need in post-production. Its aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11 allows for creative control over depth of field, and the 3x digital zoom expands your framing options. The Mavic 3 Classic offers two controller options: the standard controller with a phone holder, or the smarter, all-in-one DJI Smart Controller with a built-in touchscreen. Advanced features like obstacle avoidance, Active Track 5.0, and intelligent return-to-home functions make it a reliable companion in various flying conditions. However, due to its higher price point, it's not the most beginner-friendly option. Experienced pilots, on the other hand, will find it an excellent tool for professional aerial photography. DJI Flip. For those seeking compact convenience, the The DJI Flip is a lightweight, foldable drone with protective propeller cages, making it portable and beginner-friendly. Despite its small size, it offers a respectable flight time of approximately 30 minutes. One of its most appealing features is AI tracking, allowing the drone to follow subjects autonomously without the need for constant remote control. The Flip comes with two controller options: a plug-in phone controller or a built-in screen. It also includes a 3-axis gimbal and 2 GB of onboard storage, ensuring smooth footage even in active conditions. While its propellers are slightly louder than some other DJI models, it's safe for hand launching, and its overall design prioritizes ease of use for novices. The DJI Flip is perfect for hobbyists, casual photographers, or anyone who wants to experience drone flight without complex setup. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is an impressive dual-camera drone that combines power and versatility in one sleek package. Its cameras include a 50-megapixel wide-angle sensor and a 48-megapixel medium telephoto lens with 9x zoom, making it capable of capturing both wide landscapes and detailed close-ups. Video recording options include 4K at 60 frames per second, slow-motion 4K at 120 frames per second, and 9:6 video formats optimized for social media sharing. Photographers will appreciate the RAW photo support and 10-bit D-Low-GM video capability, which allows for advanced color grading in post-production. The Air 3S also features smart obstacle avoidance, advanced return-to-home functionality, and upgraded internal memory of 42 GB for uninterrupted shooting. It can handle winds up to 12 meters per second, providing stable footage in moderately challenging conditions. The RC2 controller enhances responsiveness, although the drone's weight slightly exceeds 249 grams, meaning it requires registration in certain countries like the US and UK. The Fly More combo, which includes additional batteries and a shoulder bag, is a worthwhile investment for extended shooting sessions. Overall, the DJI Air 3S balances portability, camera quality, and flight performance, making it suitable for intermediate pilots and content creators. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is an entry-level drone perfect for beginners who want good performance without breaking the bank. Despite its affordable price, it offers impressive imaging capabilities with 4K video at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second, along with 12.3 megapixel photos in either RAW or JPEG format. Flight performance is also respectable, with level 5 wind resistance, roughly 24 miles per hour, and a flight time of approximately 21 minutes per battery. For longer sessions, the Fly More combo provides additional batteries, ensuring you won't be grounded too quickly. Its weight of just 249 grams keeps it under FAA registration requirements in the United States, making it easy to own and operate legally. The Mini 4K is ideal for casual users, travelers, or those taking their first steps into aerial photography. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is a lightweight yet versatile drone weighing between 151 to 160 grams, depending on its configuration. Its 12-megapixel camera with a 1/2-inch sensor captures quality photos and videos, supporting up to 4K at 60 frames per second, and, in some reports, 4K slow motion at 100 frames per second. With around 49 gigabytes of internal storage, you can shoot extensively without worrying about running out of space. Neo 2 is equipped with advanced safety features such as gesture control, LiDAR front sensing, and downward infrared sensors, improving its obstacle detection capabilities over previous models. Its compact dimensions, folded at 147 by 171 by 41 millimeters, and expanded at 167 by 171 by 54 millimeters, make it highly portable. Its max speed reaches approximately 24 miles per hour in sport mode, making it a fun, agile option for both beginners and intermediate pilots. DJI Avata 2. If you're looking for a truly immersive flying experience, The DJI Avatar 2 is an FPV first-person view drone that delivers just that. Its hoop frame design has been refined for better ergonomics and safety, making it more approachable than earlier FPV drones. Pilots wear goggles that give a real-time, bird's-eye view of the flight, enhancing the thrill of maneuvering the drone. The RC Motion 3 controller and Goggles 3 provide an intuitive flying experience, while GPS support ensures stable hovering. Automated flips and other fun stunts make it beginner-friendly, yet there's enough depth for experienced pilots who want a stick-based controller option. This drone is perfect for anyone seeking high-adrenaline FPV flight with cinematic recording potential. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an affordable, functional drone with a 4K camera designed for everyday users and beginners. Its one-axis gimbal combined with AI-assisted electronic image stabilization ensures smooth footage even when flying at higher speeds. Palm takeoff and AI tracking allow users to launch and control the drone easily, while multiple control options, including a smartphone app, traditional controller, or FPV goggles, make it adaptable for various skill levels. The Neo is a scalable setup suitable for users of all ages, offering a balanced mix of ease of use and technical capability. Its affordability and versatile features make it a reliable option for casual photographers, hobbyists, or anyone starting their drone journey. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a professional-grade drone for enthusiasts and content creators who demand maximum versatility. It features a 3-camera system, a 4/3 Hasselblad, 100 megapixels, a 70mm telephoto, 48 megapixels, and a 168mm telephoto lens, 50 megapixels. This setup allows for creative flexibility, from ultra-wide landscape shots to detailed telephoto photography. Video options include 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion footage. Its full rotation camera enables dynamic angles, while features like return to home without GPS, subject tracking, steady hovering, and sports mode, top speed 60.4 miles per hour, provide unmatched performance. Transmission can reach up to 18 miles, and the flight time is impressive at 51 minutes, dropping slightly to 37 minutes during filming. Although it carries a premium price tag, the Mavic 4 Pro is widely regarded as an excellent investment for professionals seeking high-end aerial photography and cinematography. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro takes portability and performance to the next level. With a triple camera setup, including a 24mm 4x3 Hasselblad lens, a 70mm medium tele, and a 166mm tele lens, it provides incredible flexibility for professional photographers. The Hasselblad camera features an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11, allowing precise control over depth of field. Despite its high performance, the drone's folding arm design keeps it portable, while the smart controller with a 5.5-inch touchscreen enhances usability. With roughly 30 minutes of flight time per battery, advanced intelligent flight features such as AirSense, ADS-B, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, geofencing, and advanced return to home, the Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematic video, aerial mapping, and serious photography projects. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The crown jewel of DJI's current lineup is the Mini 5 Pro. Weighing just under 250 grams, it sits perfectly in the lightweight category, making it legal for recreational flying in most regions without registration. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 50 megapixel stills and supports 4K/60 frames per second HDR video, with up to 4K/120 frames per second for slow-motion sequences. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal allows a 225-degree rotation for vertical and creative shots, offering cinematic flexibility usually reserved for higher-end drones. The Mini 5 Pro features the O4 Plus transmission system, allowing for a range of up to 20 kilometers in some markets, and provides 42 gigabytes of built-in storage. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, including forward-facing LiDAR sensors, ensures safer flight, and it handles wind speeds of approximately 12 meters per second with stability. With a flight time of up to 36 minutes under ideal conditions, and a compact folded size of 157 by 95 by 68 millimeters, it's one of the most portable drones in DJI's lineup. For anyone seeking a perfect combination of portability, advanced features, and professional-grade imaging, the Mini 5 Pro is the ultimate choice. How to choose the right DJI drone? With so many options, the best DJI drone for you depends on your needs. If you're just starting out, lightweight models like the DJI Mini 4K, Neo, or Flip offer ease of use, low learning curves, and basic yet capable cameras. For those interested in immersive FPV experiences, the Avatar 2 is the standout choice. Content creators and professionals will benefit most from the Mavic 3 Pro, Mavic 4 Pro, or Mavic 3 Classic, which provide advanced cameras, longer flight times, and sophisticated flight assistance systems. Finally, think about portability. Drones like the Mini 5 Pro and Mini 4K fold into compact forms, ideal for travel, while larger drones like the Mavic 4 Pro provide more robust performance, but are less convenient for quick outings. The variety ensures pilots at all levels can find a drone suited to their needs. By evaluating flight performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and ease of use, you can confidently select the drone that balances your budget, skill level, and desired experience.